Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a gaming video like clip thing on CapCut PC. So select the video of like the game, make sure you screen record that first, of course. Then you're going to add in a video of you playing the game. I'm just going to go to the part where there's like a person playing a game, like here probably. And then we're just going to mask it, but let's go to mask and select circle and just go to the part right here. And then you are going to go to library, go and select this black background and add it on top of that. Sorry, on top of this video. Like so. And you can also move this around, but just go back to basic. Make sure you do that first. And you're just going to put it kind of in the corner, either here or here. It's going to put it on the right, and on the black background, go to mask and select circle as well. And just like put it kind of like at the back of the video, and you're going to feather that out to create this like really cool shadow effect on the video. Where is it? Like so. And you can just like adjust it. Select the one here first, and I'm going to not feather it out that much, but just feather it out a little bit, maybe like 2%, and put it down here. Just adjust it as you go. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!